Hi guys, I hope you're all doing great. So, what's up and how are you doing? So this video is all about the steps you need to follow to have a clean home. Yes. So, when I posted the living room tour of my home, people asked me if my house was always clean or I deliberately clean for that particular video. No, it is not. It is usually clean. Okay, at times there are bad days when my house is a total mess. Yes. When I newly got married, yes, I didn't know anything about this. Anything would lie everywhere. It was pretty crazy for me to clean up things, and it was okay. Like whenever someone visits, I used to run around and clean my house, and it didn't feel good actually. Of course, it is not possible to balance your work and your home, like keeping it clean, running to office, and I know coming back to a clean home is a great feeling, but still it is not possible at times. I know a little mess in your house actually makes it a home, but nevertheless, it's just nice to say. Actually, it is not practically possible to have some mess in your house and feel good about it. Yeah. So, these are a few tips I follow to make my home look cleaner, and it has actually worked. It has done wonders. So, where do I start? Yes, the first thing I followed is actually making my bed every morning. I mean, folding the quilt and keeping it in its place and making the sheets proper is probably the first and the foremost thing I do right after I wake up. Even when I was going to work full time, like before lockdown, when we were all leading normal lives, it was nice actually coming back to a nice and a colorful house. Most importantly, a clean house is a great feeling. So I take a little more time to do all this. Yes, I have a lot of things in my house and it takes a lot of maintenance, but that's okay. It's worth it. So here I'm going to give you 5 tips. They're practical, they're easy, and they are beginner friendly. So let's get to it. Yeah.
So the first tip is to follow the 1 minute rule. Yes. So when you see random things around your home and if you feel like the mess could be cleared within a minute or two, do it right away. This prevents the entire space from getting messed up. And this usually happens with your dresser after doing your makeup or your skincare or even your bedside table. You just leave things overnight and it gets messed up. So do it right away. So the next thing is to clean up the pile of clothes. Yes, this is the most prominent mess in any home. It lies on the bed, on the couch, and everywhere else. So you make sure that you fold all the clothes and keep them in their designated places always, right after they are dry. Next tip is to invest in organizers. So if you feel your knickknacks are lying here and there and you are having a tough time sorting out things, get organizers which can fit in all your things in one particular place. So this way it is easy for you to sort out, and as well as the space looks clean and tidy and you can save a lot of time. And the next tip is to segregate things according to your needs. So here I have segregated all my clothes in my wardrobe. So the rectangle organizer actually has all the neutrals I wear. I mean, these clothes go well with almost everything. So I kept them here, and the other baskets, I mean, these are cane baskets I got from a street vendor. Yeah, so here they fit everything I have. So this way I can see everything I have got so that I end up wearing all my clothes. And this is the most important tip. Yes, the best way to keep any space clean is to clear the mess you create right there, like then and there. So clean the dishes, your workplace, your bed, and everywhere else. Whenever I sit down and work on the bed, I create a huge mess every time. And I learn to clean it every time I create a mess so that I don't have a very tough time clearing things out at night when I'm going to sleep. So I hope you enjoyed this video and I hope you follow the tips as well. So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up and like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.